The Mercedes-AMG GLC 63 SE Performance Coupe is a marvel of engineering and design, blending sporty aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. This high-performance hybrid SUV coupe boasts an impressive system output of 680 horsepower, thanks to its electrified AMG 2-liter four-cylinder engine equipped with an electric exhaust gas turbocharger. The vehicle's AMG ride control chassis features adjustable damping and rear axle steering, enhancing its dynamic driving experience. The exterior design is a blend of elegance and sportiness, featuring AMG-specific elements like large air inlets, vertical fins, and a jet-wing design front apron. The interior is equally luxurious, with AMG seats in Artico man-made leather and micro-cut AMG microfiber, and an AMG performance steering wheel in Napa leather. The MBUX infotainment system comes with AMG-specific displays and functions, adding to the car's high-tech allure. The GLC 63 SE Performance Coupe is not just about looks and luxury, it's a powerhouse on the road. It can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, with a top speed of 170 miles per hour. The vehicle's high-performance battery offers a capacity of 6.1 kilowatt-hour, with 80 kilowatts continuous power and 150 kilowatts peak power for 10 seconds. This allows for an electric range of 7.5 miles, sufficient for short, fully electric journeys. The vehicle also features AMG Track Pace, a data logger for use on the racetrack, recording more than 80 vehicle-specific data 10 times per second. This feature is standard in the GLC 63S and optional for the entry-level GLC 43 4MATIC Coupe, which itself is no slouch with 421 horsepower and a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 4.8 seconds. The GLC 63 SE Performance Coupe also benefits from active roll stabilization, known as AMG Active Ride Control, which enhances its high driving dynamics. This system is based on an additional 48-volt partial electrical system and offers very high recuperation efficiency. The vehicle's AMG SpeedShift MCT 9G transmission ensures extremely short switching times and quick multiple downshifts, adding to its dynamic driving experience. The AMG Dynamic Select driving programs allow for a wide range of vehicle characteristics, from comfortable to extremely dynamic, tailored to different driving conditions. The AMG Sports Brake System guarantees outstanding deceleration values, ensuring maximum stability and fading stability under heavy use. The GLC 63S comes standard with the AMG High Performance Composite Brake System, further enhancing its braking capabilities. The GLC 63 SE Performance Coupe also offers numerous equipment packages for customization, including the AMG Exterior Night Package and the AMG Exterior Carbon Package, among others. An exclusive edition one can be ordered in the exterior colors Graphite Gray Magno or High-Tech Silver Magno for 1 year from market launch. In summary, the Mercedes-AMG GLC 63 SE Performance Coupe is a groundbreaking vehicle that sets new standards in the performance hybrid SUV segment. It combines exhilarating performance with luxurious comfort and state-of-the-art technology, making it a compelling choice for those seeking a vehicle that offers the best of all worlds. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.